This is a quick tutorial to show you how to remove your contacts from your plan. In other words, when a contact in Mailchimp unsubscribes, that contact still counts towards your plan, even though you're not sending them any emails anymore, which is kind of backwards if you ask me. There are other platforms that actually do that. Once they unsubscribe, they're removed from your total count. Mailchimp, I think it's always been that way for some reason, or as far as I can remember. And you have to figure this out on your own. They only tell you that you need to archive them, but okay, what's an efficient way to do that? After each campaign, you select the emails that unsubscribe and go look for them and then archive them. Well, there's an easier way to do that. My process is I create a segment. And in order to do this, you need to be the manager for the account, meaning that you're the master admin. If you're a contributor or a designer, you won't be able to access the audience. So you have to have manager access. Go to segments. And when we get to the segments tab, click on create a segment. And conditions, contact match all. And they only have to meet one condition, so it's not that big of a deal. So the condition is going to be email marketing status. So I click on that, and I just want to see unsubscribe. All right. Previous segment. And I have a total of 15 people. So you can set this up, and every month or every time after you send a campaign, you can always come back here and see how many people filled up this list, if any. If no one unsubscribed, well, that's great. If people unsubscribe, well, make sure you archive those contacts. So this is what this segment is for. Let's save it. And let's call this archive contacts. All right. And if you save it, now it's there. Now you can select one or all of them, and then go here, actions, and click archive to remove completely from your account. I'm not going to do it because actually, to be honest, I haven't used my Mailchimp account in years. So I haven't added any contacts at all. I just keep this because other customers have Mailchimp, and I'm able to go in as a contributor and edit campaigns and all this stuff. So I'm not going to do it. I'm going to unselect. And I never got to the point where I was looking at the contacts and was sweating because my plan was going to be upgraded because of the number of contacts. So this is a quick way to do it. Every time you send a campaign, just come back to this segment and archive the contacts that have unsubscribed to make sure that your plan always stays within your limits. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.